In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Systeme.io for 2025 step by step. Let's get started right from the dashboard. Log into your Systeme account, and once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see the navigation along the left. We're going to build inside the funnel tools, so click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This is where Systeme.io organizes landing pages, opt-in pages, and other steps under one place, which keeps everything tidy and easy to manage. Next, click Create to start a new funnel. Give your funnel a clear name, like landing page, so you can find it easily later. Now choose a funnel goal. Pick the goal that matches your intent. For example, if you're capturing email leads, choose the goal focused on building an audience. If you're promoting a product, choose the goal that supports sales. Don't worry, the goal mainly presets a few defaults. You can still fully customize your page. Click Save to generate the funnel. Inside your new funnel, select the landing page step. This takes you to a template gallery. Browse through and pick a layout that fits your content and brand. Think about structure here. A strong hero section, a clear headline, a brief benefit-focused paragraph, and a prominent call to action are usually all you need. When you found the one you like, click Select to apply it. Now click Edit Page to open the drag and drop editor. This is where the fun begins. You can customize the text to match your message, swap images, and rearrange blocks if needed. Start with your headline. Make it clear, benefit-driven, and concise. Then refine the subheading and supporting text so visitors instantly understand what they'll get. As you adjust the layout, keep spacing generous to improve readability and focus. Fine-tune the look by adjusting font sizes. Use larger sizes for headlines to establish a strong visual hierarchy, medium sizes for subheadings, and comfortable body text for easy reading on both desktop and mobile. Then adjust the colors to match your brand. Choose a high contrast combination for text and background so everything is readable. Keep your call to action button bold and distinct. One primary color that stands out is ideal. If you use multiple colors, stick to 2 or 3 for a clean, professional feel. Remember to preview as you go and save your changes frequently. That's it. You've created your landing page, selected a template, and customized the typography and colors to make it your own. Follow these steps each time and you'll be able to spin up polished, effective pages in minutes.